Hello everyone and welcome back. This is NikkaNadia. We're going to be learning another belly dance move today. This is the one hip circle. So there's so many ways that we use circles in belly dance. Okay, and this is one of them where we use the hip and we simply circle to the side one hip at a time. So let's take a moment to warm up our hips a little bit. So finding our strong belly dance posture and shifting our hips side to side. Starting to feel your waist stretch out. And then let's take our hips in circles, sliding them around without rotating the pelvis. We're simply gliding. And other direction. Good. Now let's practice taking our hips into a tuck and tilt. Tuck and tilt. Warming up the lower back. Tuck, release, tuck, release. Good. Okay, so let's stand on one foot, take the other foot up onto the tiptoe, and we're going to be very light on this foot, like no weight at all. Let's have our arms in fourth, our chest lifted and open. We're going to take our hip and slide it back, lift it up, bring it forward, and drop it down. So back, up, forward, down, back, up, forward, and down. Tracing this circle. Keeping the chest nice and still, the chin lifted, gaze out, and breathing. A few more. Check that your knee isn't moving too much. Let's do the other side. Light on your toe, chest lifted, arms open, hip goes back, up, forward, down, back, up, forward, down. Drawing this circle smooth around. So a very beautiful and simple move, soothing to our hips. Let's practice going back and forth. Circle, circle, and we switch. 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 Circle and circle, and we switch. Last time, circle, circle, and now we rest. So we could also take our hip in the other direction. I don't really use this one, but just for practice, we can take our hip forward, up, back, and down. Forward, up, back, and down. Forward, up, back, and down, and forward, up, back, and down. Keep going. Check that the spine isn't moving too much. We're staying still and isolated. Other side, it goes forward, up, back, down. Forward, up, back, and down. And now let's practice putting them together. Drilling these hips, getting lots of control and mobility in our hips. We take our hip first back, lift up, forward, down again, back, up, forward, down. Now reverse, forward, up, back, and down and forward. Up, back, and down. Reverse back, back, reverse, forward, forward, reverse, back, back, reverse, forward, forward. Last time, back, and forward, and forward. Other side. We have back, up, forward, down, back, up, forward, down, back, for 2, reverse, forward, for 2, back, for 2. Check that you're not going up and down as we do this. Stylistically in our choreography, that could be an option, but as we learn, let's practice just staying level. And back, for 2, and forward, for 2, and back, for 2, well done, and forward, for 2, last time, back, and forward, and rest. Very good. Take a big breath in, let it out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you soon.